Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today our topic is what is magic cable tie. In this video, we all learn what is magic cable tie, what its features, what its applications. So let's start. A magic cable tie is made from polypropylene and nylon. These two are the material which a magic cable tie is made from. Magic cable ties are ideal for use in the network line, the signal line, the power line and so on. These ties grip the wire and cable tightly without damaging the cables and affecting transmission speed. Keep any items tight and net for later use. Tidy up hair wire and iron lines. Belts Wi-Fi router and computer wires. Number 2. A wide variety of features such as durability. Durability means you can use these magic cable ties for a long time without damaging. Anti-aging properties. Ease of use. Acid and erosion resistance. Unique design facilitating quick and easy application. Releasable and reusable up to 400 times. Corrosion free. No tools required. Superior quality. These magic cables are available in a large variety sizes and colors. Suit your needs. Diameter sizes range from 35 mm to 92 mm. For better understand, let's see in chart table. Number 3. Magic cable tie application. We have the following main application of magic cable tie. Hook and loop reusable magic ties are designed for building of fiber optics, telephone, data cable, computer, networking, electronics instrument, home equipment and cable harness. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.